Alright guys, here we have it, Jimmbo's Junkyard. Welcome back for another segment of that. So today we'll be featuring our old bicycle pump, our can of weasel piss again, and Sally. Alright, so in this episode we'll be doing another tune-up of Sally. So hold on, okay, that spins nicely. Good, now that that's all spinning, we'll just spray the weasel piss on there. Spray the fuck out of everything. We'll even just shoot it in there. Alright, so here we go. We're just gonna let everything work on in. Alright, so I just sprayed the fuck out of that with weasel piss. So on our checklist we got check and check and check. And we'll just spray a little bit on that too. So now we have to check our tire pressure. So here we go. Now, do you guys remember what it was last time? Because I sure as hell don't. Okay, so here we have it tonight. PSI 25. Let's recheck it one more time. 19.5. So it's probably at 19 because I just let a little one out. Because of it. Fuck it. Oh, I don't care. Then we have here 28 flat. Perfect. So, you know what? Let's throw a little bit of air in the back tire here. As long as our hose reaches up there. Alright guys, hold on. Let's flip old Sally over. Alright guys, so this is how we work. It's gonna be hard to put the camera on it. So alright. So as you see, the old one, we got crank it on there. Now we've got pumper. Pumper a bunch of times. Let me just set my let me set the old camera right here. Now I wonder if we're in the shot. Let's see right here. Gotta pump that shit. Like that rock hard dip comes to abs. Alright. So don't fucking zoom, idiot. Just have to unscrew that. Do the old bike pump there. And we'll check Sally's tire pressure one more time. And 29. Perfect. See she's good. These bad motherfuckers, these are cling 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 cling. They could be lubed every once in a while, but so that's our gear shifter. And yeah, our pedals spin. So alright, thank you for joining another episode of Jimmbo's Junkyard. Alright, now whoever wrote this one got it right because it is another episode. It's another segment actually. So let's just go ahead and put Sally back in the old bike barn. Alright, and guys, remember, just please subscribe. And thank you for joining us for another segment of Jimmbo's Junkyard. Thank you, and there is the old girl. She's buried. So, alright, thank you, and remember, just subscribe. Thank you, love you, goodbye.